Welcome to my channel, Epic Auto Revolution. Today we're unveiling the all-new 2027 Buick Flagship Sedan, a bold step into the future of luxury and performance. The design speaks for itself. Up front, a glowing illuminated grille frames Buick's tri-shield emblem, paired with razor-thin LED headlights and a sweeping light bar. Aerodynamic sculpted lines flow across the body, while the rear features a full-width LED strip and sleek spoiler, completing its futuristic presence. Powering this beauty is a twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid, delivering 410 horsepower with next-gen all-wheel drive. Smooth, confident, and powerful, it adapts with drive modes: comfort for cruising, sport for excitement, and eco for efficiency. On city streets it's whisper quiet, but open it up, and you'll feel every bit of its performance DNA. Step inside, and the future unfolds. A curved OLED display stretches across the dash, seamlessly blending navigation, media, and driver assistance. Ventilated leather seats with heating, cooling, and massage redefine comfort, while the panoramic glass roof opens the cabin to the world above. Rear passengers enjoy executive-class legroom, reclining chairs, and their own touch controls for climate and entertainment. Safety comes standard with Buick's AI Guardian system, including autonomous driving assist, adaptive cruise, and predictive collision avoidance. Technology flows effortlessly with 5G connectivity, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice-activated controls. And the price? The starting MSRP is expected at $58,000, with top trims reaching around $72,000. For a car offering futuristic luxury and performance, it's surprisingly attainable. The 2027 Buick Flagship Sedan isn't just another car, it's Buick's revolution in motion. Stay tuned here on Epic Auto Revolution for more future rides.